Hello, my name is Chris, and you're watching Yogventures Developers Video Log number 9. In today's episode, I'm going to go over some of the changes we've made in Yogventures pre-alpha. And as you can see right away, pre-alpha version not point, not 3. So we're making progress. Slow progress, but we're making progress. So I'm going to load up a game that we've got saved here because there's a few new features that we have gotten implemented after listening to the backer feedback. Some of the things that were missing were being able to save your inventory and things like that, so that's been fixed. And the ability to place things that weren't just cubes, which I know everybody has been waiting to be able to do. Since we already got the landscape and the trees and everything looking really nice, then we really wanted to be able to build nice things too. And cubes by themselves just aren't really enough. So pay no attention to this world. I've kind of just started messing around with it with a brand new world here. So as you can see, there's some different looking blocks here, and they still can be harvested and mined just like any other block. They just happen to not be cubes anymore, which is a really cool thing. So I also, like I said, I fixed the inventory so that now you see I loaded up with this. It didn't just give me all these things for free. I'd already played once and killed a frog and got a bunch of stuff and then saved the inventory. So the way that works is whenever you hit save, it's just going to save whatever's in your inventory for that game. So each game is going to have a different inventory for now. We don't know if we're going to do like character persistence or anything like that yet. So let me just show you one other thing that we have done. If you see, the cursor has a little ball in it right now. That's kind of a bug, but what isn't a bug is if we hit the T key, you'll see that we can start seeing different shapes and actually build with those shapes, which was kind of a big thing to get working. So I just wanted to show that off. So now you can build with all kinds of slants, and we've also put in the inverse of those slants. And as you can see, it'll pick up whatever material you have selected, so you can build with that shape and with whatever shape and whichever material you want to build with. One thing that I did notice is that people were having trouble with the inventory, and I know why. It's because you'd expect to be able to click on it and just drag it and put it over top of the next one and have it swap. I don't have that working quite yet, so right now you have to select the guy in the hotbar, move him out of the way, select another guy and put him in that empty spot. I know that's a pain. I'm really sorry about that. I'll get it fixed in the next version. But for now, that's how you have to do it. You have to empty the slot and then put another thing in the slot. Oh, one thing that you'll notice there, if you have the escape, if you hit escape and you're in pause mode and this window, this save menu is open, then when you're clicking out in here, you're no longer affecting the world while you have that thing. So that's pretty cool to have that fixed. So what I was going to show is that it'll build with whatever material you have selected and whichever shape. So T is, again, how you switch which shape you're using. So I added stairs. So it's just the first version of stairs, but we'll add more as we figure out what the look of the models should be. These are kind of programmer models. I didn't have a chance to wait for the modeling for our modeler to get finished, so I just went ahead and threw some stuff together. So these are by no means final shapes, but it is cool that there's new types of shapes. So if you're watching my Twitter or watching or on the forums, on the developer forums, you've seen images and things of new castles and new types of buildings that you can build and things like that. So I'm excited to see what you guys do with all these new shapes. Especially you guys who are making these really cool mini games and stuff like that. It's very fun to watch you play golf or bowling in Yogventures. That's super fun to see that you guys are having fun with it. I'm really glad that that's the case. So anyway, I hope that everyone enjoys this new version. We'll be releasing pre-alpha not 0.03 later on tonight. You'll get emails if you're a founding level backer or above, and it's just one more step closer to getting to alpha, everyone who's waiting for alpha. So it's really getting close now. All we have to do now is work on character customization and get that working in some way, and then we can release alpha version, so we'll get even more people who have already kickstarted the project in and playing the game as soon as possible. So once again, I can't thank you guys enough, all of you Kickstarter backers who made all this possible, and all the fans. Everything that I see you guys doing with the Yogventures just energizes me so much, and I just cannot thank you enough for all your support and help. So until next time, my name is Chris.